In this video I'm going to go through how to withdraw a last copy. So I'm going to scan in the barcode and pull up the record. And if you look at this in the network zone, you'll see it says held by one, and the only institution that has a copy of this is Gordon. So it says my institution. So this is going to be a last copy. And what we're going to do is go over to Edit Record, and I'm going to click on File, Copy to Catalog, Tools, Set Management Tag, and Suppress from Discovery. And I'm going to click on Save and Release Record. And in the institution zone, in the institution zone, you'll see that the bib record has been suppressed. So the next thing I want to do is click on Holdings and Edit. And I want to change the location from second floor stacks, which is general collection here, to withdrawn. And we're going to highlight the 852 field and click Edit, Open Form Editor. And for shelving location C, we're going to select Withdrawn. And then Tools, Set Management Tag, and Suppress from Discovery. And again, we'll click File and Save and Release Record. And we're going to go back and look at this again. And you'll see that the bib record is suppressed, and so is the holding record, and the location is now withdrawn. It says item availability 1 of 1 available. You need to go and make sure that you're at the currently at location of circulation desk, which we are. And we're going to scan this item in because I want it to say 0 available. So now if we go back and look at this record again, it says 1 not available. The last thing that we want to do is we want to go into OCLC, and we want to remove our holdings in connection. So I'm going to grab the OCM number here and open up connection. And if you pull up the record, it's going to say that this is held by our institution. So what we can do is click on Shift 7. Excuse me, you want to click on Shift 8 to delete our holdings. And now you'll see the message that says no holdings in GGJ. So what I just did was go to the record. I pulled it up by the OCM number, and then I clicked on Shift plus the F8 key. Alternatively, what you could have done is clicked on Batch, Holdings by OCLC number, and pasted this number in this text box, and then selected Delete Holdings and clicked OK. And that would also delete our holdings in OCLC. Going back to the MD editor, the other thing that you want to do at this point is copy the MMS ID number, and then you want to go to galileo.libanswers.com, and we want to submit this form to let them know that they need to delete the ghost record in Alma for this title. So I'm going to enter the title and MMS number and also the record URL. So I'm going to just enter a note here saying we deleted the last copy of this title and the MMS ID number, and I need to go back. Whoops. Alright, so if you go to all titles, other system number, and put in the OCM number for this title, you're going to see in our tab it's going to look like this, and the bib record is suppressed and it's withdrawn. The holding record is suppressed. If you click on the network tab, you're going to see a record that has no holdings. And so we're going to grab the URL here, and we're just going to copy and paste that URL into the form and fill out the rest of this. And so we're letting Gil know that they need to remove this record from the network because there's no holdings attached to it anymore. And so you click on Submit Your Question, and that's how you withdraw a last copy.